A bike repair stand is often known as the work stand and is known to be a companion when repairing your bicycle in any way. These stands are used to mount the bike so it does not tilt while working. Also, the bike is lifted to a suitable height which allows the user to work without bending much. This also keeps the hands of the user free so that the bike can be repaired quickly. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best bike repair stands available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out my video description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Topak Prep Stand X. With its compact, light design, the Topak Prep Stand X offers a useful alternative to traditional clamping repair stands. The flexibility of this stand may be greater than that of the clamping stands in this video, with the capacity to freely spin 360 degrees and height adjustments ranging from 33 to 57 inches. Despite its relatively modest 37.9-pound weight limit, I found the aluminum frame is strong and steady. The stand seems to be made with highly durable materials. The biggest difference with this bike stand is the need to remove the front wheel to allow the forks to be mounted on the stand. If you have a super expensive carbon bike and don't want the frame locked in place, this could be a good option. It might take a bit of setup time as you'll need to alter the mounting length for each new bike you place on the stand, and various bikes might need various axle adapters. This can become tiring after a while. The Topak Prep Stand X is the best option if you want to repair your bike without worrying about clamps damaging your tubes. Number 4. Topak Prep Stand Pro. One of the priciest models in my review today is the Topak Prep Stand Pro. It comes with extras including a storage bag and an integrated digital scale. With a wide range of height adjustments, it can be set up and taken down remarkably quickly. The wide footprint creates very good stability, which is provided by the long tripod legs and rubber feet. The sturdy aluminum quick-release mechanism keeps things firmly in place while in use as well. Another element I adored was the unusual air cushion dropping of the height adjustment. Even though it isn't the smallest or lightest when fully folded, the Prep Stand Pro is incredibly simple to store, move, or transport. This is all thanks to the supplied storage. Number 3. Park Tool Team Issue PRS-25. The additional benefit of this Park Tool PRS-25 Team Issue repair stand is that it folds down quite compactly. Hence, you can easily toss it in the back of the car or van and transport it to races or events. It has a simple-to-use clamp that securely holds bikes. The clamp height extends up to 60 inches, which I found to be more than enough for working on a bike. It then collapses down to a length of 47 inches. It is simple to take it out of the container and put it together. Then, after a few minutes, it is ready to use. A large platform is provided by the easily retractable legs, and once they are open, quick-release mechanisms secure everything into position. The clamp works with a variety of tube sizes. I discovered that everything, from slim road bikes to big alloy mountain bikes, fit perfectly. It is sufficient for practically all road bikes and the majority of mountain bikes because it is certified for bikes weighing up to 45 kilograms. The clamp can also be rotated 360 degrees, so you can always connect the bike to your desired position. Number 2. Park Tool PCS-10. A sturdy and reliable work stand. The PCS-10 will provide you with many years of use. Park Tool enjoys a solid reputation for its industry tools. The majority of bike shops worldwide have high-quality tools and clamps. However, this is the heaviest stand that is in my list today. This stand may require some initial time to assemble, but once it is constructed, it requires no time at all to close and open up. On the PCS-10, the height of the clamp can be altered anywhere between 39 and 59 inches. By releasing the height adjustment collar's fast release and pulling the upper tube away from the main tube, the clamp is the PCS-10's most remarkable feature. This heavy clamp has wide jaws that can hold tubes up to 3 inches in diameter and narrow jaws that can grasp tubes as thin as 78 inches. The clamp has rubber on it, which may be changed as it becomes worn out. Number 1. Feedback Sport Sport Mechanic Repair Stand. The Feedback Sport Pro Elite is really simple to assemble and disassemble, folds up compact for storage and travel, and is quite light. Its tripod base, long legs, and high-quality metal quick-release fasteners serve to assure stability over the course of its 42 to 71 inches height adjustment range. The ratcheting quick-release clamp mechanism on the folding clamp arm is extremely user-friendly and can be rotated 360 degrees. This is one of the best features of this stand. Spinner knobs provide even clamping pressure and precise closure. Even the largest frame tubes are accommodated by the clamp's 1.9 inches aperture. With a total load capacity of 65 pounds or 29.5 kilograms, most road, gravel bikes, fat bikes, electric bikes, and even heavy-duty touring bikes can be used on them. It is a solid repair stand created from anodized aluminum and coated in steel. It creates a strong yet lightweight stand to use. Even on uneven surfaces, the rigid tripod base provides maximum stability. Overall, the Feedback Sport Sport Pro Elite is one of the best professional bike repair stands. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.